everyone! Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I share fun tutorials on digital scrapbooking and creativity. Today, I'll walk you through how to buy and download MyMemories Suite, and then give you a full tour of the workspace so you can start designing your own scrapbook pages in no time. First, go to mymemories.com. MyMemories Suite is a digital scrapbooking software that's super easy to use. To get the software, click on Shop Software at the top, and then select MyMemories Suite. Choose the latest version and click Add to Cart. Don't forget, you can save $10 with my code, STMMS75700 at checkout. You will find this code in my description box. After you check out, go to your account and click on My Downloads. Find your MyMemories Suite version, and click Download for your operating system. Once downloaded, open the file and follow the installation instructions. It only takes a few minutes. Show welcome screen of MyMemories Suite. Now that it's installed, let's launch the software. You'll see a welcome screen with options to create a new album or open a recent project. This is the MyMemories Suite workspace. Let me give you a quick tour so you feel confident using it. At the top, you'll see your toolbar. This is where you can start a new project, save, undo actions, zoom in or out, and add new pages. This is your canvas area, where all the design magic happens. You'll see a checkered pattern background. That means it's transparent. You can drag photos, add text, embellishments, and more here. On the left side, you'll find your gallery panel. It shows your kits, backgrounds, and elements. Just drag and drop anything onto your page. On the right, we have the control panel with tabs like backgrounds, embellishments, photos, text, shapes and lines, calendars, word art, and more. This is where you manage each part of your layout. At the bottom, you'll see page thumbnails. You can jump between pages or rearrange them. Super useful when making albums. And that's your complete introduction to MyMemories Suite, from buying and downloading to exploring the workspace. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more digital scrapbooking videos. Don't forget to use my code STMMS75700 and save $10 when purchasing MyMemories Suite.